Japanese traditional lighting andon. In the Edo period, oil-based lanterns were used for lighting. This was the most common form of lighting in houses until oil lamps, which were cheaper or more popular, became available. Today, we use the same structure and use light bulbs instead of oil to illuminate our homes. An andon is a typical residential lighting fixture from the Edo period that uses rapeseed oil as fuel. Since the lighting effect was very small and the brightness was 1/50th that of a 60-watt bulb, it was used to illuminate large buildings such as temples and shrines. When it came to buildings, they were placed in various places in the building. In the life of the common people, oil from fish, for example sardines, which was cheaper than rapeseed oil, was mainly used, and at night, a lantern was used to hand. I lit only the light and did some sewing. Basically, I went to bed early after dark, so there didn't seem to be any problems with my life cycle. Even before the Edo period, oil was sometimes lit and used as a light, but it was not until the Edo period that people started to cover it with paper to prevent the fire from going out. With the invention of the shimegi press, which was used to press oil from rapeseed oil, which contained a lot of oil, oilseed rapeseed oil became the main ingredient of oilseed rapeseed oil. Canola oil became the main oil for lamps instead of igumambura, and the use of androulette became widespread. Various types of lanterns, including portable hand-borne lanterns, were then made. Candles were also made at that time, but they were more expensive than rapeseed oil. Just before the beginning of the Meiji period, oil lamps were imported from the United States, which were cheaper than rapeseed oil. It was, from this point on, the mainstream of lighting equipment shifted to oil lamps, and lanterns were rarely used. A paper-covered wooden, bamboo, or copper wire frame with a fire pan, a small ceramic dish, inside was used to keep the flame from going out. The oil is made by putting oil, e.g. sesame oil, rapeseed oil, sardine oil, etc., in a fire pan. Put oil, e.g. sesame oil, rapeseed oil, sardine oil, etc., into a fire plate, and then pour a little kerosene wick, old oil, from the oil. It is used by putting out a piece of linen, ripped into small pieces, and setting it on fire.